Hi everyone, this is Kalyan Kumar this side and welcome back to Chemistry Universe. This is video number 13, part 13 of amines. And in this one, and this one also happens to be the part 2 of aniline. In the previous one, we saw the preparation and the physical properties. Here we are going to look at some of the very common chemical properties of aniline. And all of them, almost all of them, we've already done under amines when we were doing primary amines. But we want to comprehensively look at aniline because it also has a benzene ring, so there might be a few differences here. So let's get on with the video. Alright, so here we go. This is part 13, aniline 2, chemical properties. And in chemical properties, this is part 1, and that is general reactions. So the chemical properties would start with the basic nature of aniline. We know aniline is basic. There's a lone pair on nitrogen. So it will combine with an acid to form a salt. And since it has a lone pair, it can also act as a nucleophile. So when you do alkylation, you have aniline reacting with an alkyl halide, the nitrogen attacking the carbon, and you get a secondary amine. But the secondary amine also has a lone pair, so it can further react with CH3I. This is basically exhaustive methylation. You get a tertiary amine. And the tertiary amine further would react with the CH3I to form a quaternary ammonium salt. Since it has a lone pair, it can also do acetylation. So here you have aniline reacting with an acyl halide and you get an amide here. And remember, if the CH3COCl was PHCOCl, we would have called it the Scotton-Bowman reaction. This is acetanilide. Since it's a primary amine, it will also give you a carbylamine reaction. So you have aniline, CHCl3, KOH. We know you get a foul-smelling isocyanide. And then you have the Hoffmann mustard oil reaction. This is a synthetic mustard oil. It's not natural mustard oil. And you have HgCl2 and H2S. And you will get the isothiocyanate. Then you have reaction with aldehyde. You will get the amines basically. And it will also react with the Hinsberg reagent and give you a product that is acidic and which can dissolve in NaOH, just as we saw in the case of aliphatic primary amines. And then you have the acidic nature because it has an H and the negative charge on nitrogen is conjugated with the benzene ring. So this is where the difference with the aliphatic amines come up. They are not acidic, but this is relatively more acidic. So reaction with reactive metal like sodium, and you get the sodium salt and hydrogen gas. And then of course diazotization, another difference with the primary aliphatic amines, which will directly give you alcohol. Here the diazonium salts are stable below 5 degrees Celsius, and you will get the diazonium chloride. And that ends the first part of chemical properties, second part of aniline, and part 13 of amine series. So with that, we come to the end of this video, and as you can see, these are pretty short videos just to give you a few ideas about the most important part of a particular reaction. I don't want to make big videos, and it is easier to post shorter videos also. So if you have any questions, anything, any comments that you have regarding these videos, please put them in the comment section below. With that, this is Kalyan Kumar signing off. Have a great and wonderful day, and thank you for watching this.